asuntokehtiö Lappeenrannan Kaukaan talo Rajakatu 2 Lappeenranta staircase G.
Yeah, very strange, like staircases.
Yeah. We didn't manage to get inside staircase F.
Yeah. This one has original lights.
No staircases C and D here.
Nice that it has the original lights on it.
Yeah.
Built in 2002, age 71405. Nice feeling. Or not that much.
Of course, TV is quite lazy today.
Yeah.
It's just 2 elevators.
And boring staircases.
Yeah.
Probably he doesn't want to film completely similar elevators.
But these are still interesting.
Yeah. But it's because like the subscribers or watchers don't want to watch as that much same elevators.
H-A.
Yeah.
T.
What?
H-A.
Oh yeah.
I think many people are interested to see old monospaces still.
Yeah.
But no. Only Finnish ones, if even that.
No. In England or something.
Oh.
Yeah. Everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, but mostly everyone watches generics for some reason.
Yeah, but still most like monospace than classics or something.
Yeah. What?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not that worn off even. Looks like a new button.
Inspektiippaa, kiva inspektoida, että me eteenpäin käyn. That's
Hot.